Quick tutorial on how to use the Expedition Live Tracker. So you'll be brought to this page, and if you scroll down, there's a brief introduction and then a couple of screens here that give you written instructions on how to use the map below, which you can look at your leisure. Then you'll come to the map itself, and this is what it'll look like. And you'll notice there's some controls up here in the upper right hand is called Expand. And then down here, you've got a arrow button here. That's going to be to move the map. And this curl is to tilt it, because this is going to be a 3D map that you'll see. And the plus is to zoom in, and the minus is to zoom out. So you just can scroll along if you like, and you'll notice some pictures will come up with a number. And that number corresponds to where exactly we are on the course and what we're actually seeing. So you'll see those numbers correspond to the actual pictures themselves. And the map will actually move around and juxtaposition itself to where we are. Now, if you want to stop and examine this further, let's say you want to look in this canyon, you can use this button and you can zoom and move the map around. And then this curl button, if you hold your mouse pad or your mouse down, you can tilt the map. You see how cool that is? Look out on the horizon, and you can move it around to look east or west or wherever you like. And when you're satisfied, you can come back up here and move it back. You can zoom it in, zoom it out, whatever you like, and you can resume back to scrolling again. One other nice feature is you have the ability to use this expand in the upper right-hand corner, and it'll make those pictures go away. And here you can just tilt the map and do all sorts of zoom in and zoom out and do whatever you like. And then when you're done doing that, go back up and click that upper right-hand button again, and you're back to scrolling. Hopefully that helps. We're looking forward to bringing you along with us, and hopefully this will make it even feel more like you're right there. Thanks again for your support. We'll see you out there.